I'll show you again how I do this. I go like this, then I put it around here and again. I think so. Yeah. Let me show you again how I do the knit stitches. I go back here. Let's see, the camera has to be a bit sharper. Okay. I go back here. And then I pull the thread through the stitch like this. Then I go in here on the front and pull it through. I'll show you again slowly. I stitch in here, you see? Pull this thread here, I hold it here and pull it through. I kind of hold my finger here, stitch into the front part of it, you see? Get it through. I'll show you again a little bit more from the side. I love knitting. When I get up in the morning, I start knitting. And I pray. It helps me so much for the day. Do you see what it looks like? You only take this part. You see, not the back part. You only take this part. And then you pull it through, hold it here, and pull it through like this. That's how I learned how to knit. I learned how to knit when I was in Germany. I grew up in Germany. And at age 14 we learned how to knit and crochet and do some crafts. See? You can also hold it here if you feel like it, and then pull it through. I just do it so fast, I don't always hold it. I guess I don't, but I always kind of push my middle finger here, go through it, you see? I don't always hold it here. I do it really fast. Yeah, I guess. Yeah, I don't always hold it.